We were sent a 3D virtual model of a dragon on a computer as a computer file. Then load that into the software for the machine. The machine prints the dragon into the nylon plastic, layer by layer by layer. And the really clever bit about that is that no matter how complicated the shape of the dragon is, we can always print it. It takes about 80 hours to print a full-size dragon in the machine. And then we have to dig down into the powder and we can remove the parts of the dragon we need back out again. We have a head, a body, a tail and 2 wings. Once we've got those, next stage is we have to reassemble them. So we've designed all the joints to be nice and strong and then easy to assemble. So we literally use a very, very strong glue and we glue the dragon back together into one piece. Next step is we have to start the painting and finishing process, because when it comes off the machine, the parts are just white, plain nylon. We prime the parts, then we spray them green, so it's nice dark, third-degree green goes on. And then we get a bit more detailed and we start doing gold leaf and silver. To give it final coat of protection, the whole thing is given a very tough clear coat of paint over the top, which will seal everything in and protect it.